Well, good morning, everyone, and thanks for joining me today at Juanette's Crafting Corner. In today's video, I want to show you something that I learned. I believe it was Treasure Books. Her video showed me how to do this. I hope I'm not wrong. You know, I really need to write down when I learn a new technique from someone. I should write down their name so I can give credit where credit is due. This is a digital page from Rachel at Roxy Creations. It is her Renaissance kit, and I'm going to show you what I did. Now, it kind of looks like it's just the similar print. This is paper. This is canvas. I'm going to bring you up real close so you can kind of see it. As I turn it over, you can see that it's actually canvas or like a fabric. And did that not print out so beautiful? I printed it on my Epson EcoTank printer, just normal settings, and it turned out beautiful. Now let me show you the paper that I used. This is for inkjet art paper. It's canvas. I got it off of Amazon, and what I will do is link it down in the description box, so if you want to get any of this, you can. It comes, how many sheets were in there? 10 sheets. So it's something that you wouldn't use a ton of, but to me, using that, sorry for that noise, that is loud. Using that for the inside of a journal will be fantastic. I can get it out of here and I'll show you what it looks like on both sides. So what you're going to do, I think it says right on here, where is that? It said to print it on a specific side. Oh yeah, here's the instructions. No, but it said to print it, I think it said to print it on the white side. I'm pretty sure I read that somewhere. Why can't I see that? You're going to use it with an inkjet printer. Maybe it was on this paper. Ah, okay. Here, I knew I had read that somewhere. So you're going to print on the whiter side. It's chalkier. Use a high resolution. The image will dry instantly and can be handled immediately after removing from the printer. Should the print appear washed out or not as clear as expected, check that the correct side was printed on. So let's go ahead and pick out another image and let's print that up. Now I'm going to go to my computer now and pick out an image first. So this is a different image from a different collection. This is from Medieval Mirage. This is her Ode to Jane. And I wanted to print a different picture from a kit because I didn't want two of the canvas ones from Rachel in one journal. So this is the image on paper. And this is it printed on that canvas. Isn't that amazing? Now, even though the directions said to print on the white side, I thought, let's see what happens if I print it on both sides. And won't that look fantastic sewn in to a journal? Isn't that fantastic? I also did it on from Rachel's kit. Remember, this is what I showed you. And I also printed it on the opposite side also. So it's just fantastic. So anyway, I know this is a really short video today, but I want to make sure that in all of my videos, I teach you something. I'm not sure if I will ever do a craft along video because, like I said, my goal for my YouTube channel is to always share something with you that I've learned, teach you something, help you in any way that I can so that you can also make beautiful journals. Now, I also started at one point where I had never made a journal. And by watching other people's YouTube channel, that's how I learned how to do a lot of this stuff. And I'm still learning. I watch a lot of YouTube channels and I learned something from each and every one of them. But anyway, that's it for my little video to teach you today. I hope you enjoyed that. Go over to Amazon and purchase some of this canvas paper, and I will see you guys next Monday. Thanks, and bye-bye.